To make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new method showing you how you can make money using affiliate your affiliate links from amazon.com and promoting them on your Pinterest account. So basically the idea is you choose a niche like this one and you search for viral posts on the platform pinterest.com, of course, and you select the best posts you can find and you re-upload them to your account. So you need to choose a niche, and after choosing that niche you need to focus on uploading 10 to 20 posts a day on the same niche. And with every post you need to choose a different product on Amazon, and you take the link of that product and you leave it on your posts. So for this bar right here, where you can choose, when you can take links for this bar to show to you, you need to go to Amazon Associates. You just type it like this, Amazon Associates, and you create your account on there. And after creating your account you will see this bar. So let's go back to Pinterest and just choose a post that we can re-upload. You can always be creative guys and create your own posts using canva.com or shooting videos if you want to be more professional. So let's go and search for a good post that we can re-upload. So we have this post, which is a very good post, but it has a logo on it. Let's go and see if we can find another good post. So let's go with this one, but it also has a logo on it. We don't want to get in trouble with people. So let's see. So choose this one. So let's take the image, download image, and let's hit on create idea pin, open link in new tab. So we go to the new tab and we hit create new. We drag the image and drop it here, and then we go to the previous tab. We take the title, copy, and we leave the title here. Then we take the description. So you don't need, so this is pretty easy guys, and you don't need to create anything or write anything. You just copy and paste everything. Then we go to find a product that's related to our niche. So we make sure it's a product that have a connection to our niche, digital marketing and advertising. So here we search by best sellers. So you go with best sellers and you see we have a lot of books how to get to the top of Google. It's a SEO checklists. We have this one, and this one is very old, as you can see, 1985. You're not going to choose that one. This one is from 2020, so I guess I'm going to go with this one, but let's see if we can find anything better. So I guess I'm going, so let's go with this one. It has a very good price. I'm sure we'll get a very good commission from this one. So let's choose this one. 1 million followers. It's from 2020, it's not very old. So the audiobook is for free, but the Kindle one is 14, approximately $15. The hardcover is $20. So let's click on text. After clicking on text, you will get your link right here. So you copy your link, copy, and you go to Pinterest. You leave your link right here, and you proceed to the next step, which is choosing tags. So tags, this step is very important, you guys. Make sure you focus on this step. So in this step, we're going to choose tags that are related to our topic or our niche, because these tags help the post go viral and helps it to show on people's feed and help your account reach a lot of people. So let's choose as much as we can. Digital marketing. Let's go with marketing, affiliate marketing, marketing books, marketing plan, email marketing, marketing tools, and so on. I think with the idea, guys, it's not limited. You can choose as much tags as you can. No one will say a thing about that. And also, tags don't show on the post. You are only the one that sees them. As you can see, don't worry, people won't see your tags. After you're done with choosing your tags, you go back and you check the image, title, description, your link, tags, and then you hit publish. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you get the idea, and I wish you all the best in making money. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Don't be selfish and don't choose to make money only for yourself. Help others.